In Europe, teeth grinding or bruxism is classified as a sleep movement disorder. We now distinguish grinding when awake from grinding when asleep. The causes are different. The first is caused by familiar problems like stress and anxiety. But at night, it can be a movement disorder called repetitive masticatory muscle activation. These are the masticatory muscles. Night bruxism can also be related to episodes of airway collapse, such as in sleep apnea. If the grinding starts right after an obstruction, that suggests it's occurring as an effort to open up the airway.